Are you a health specialist? Are you interested in learning more about the TMJ's effect on body posture? With this intensive course, you will gain all the necessary tools and techniques for diagnosing and treating TMJ dysfunction and postural alterations. This course is structured in 2 parts, 6 online video lessons followed by a 2-day practical workshop. In this course, you will learn to successfully evaluate the craniofacial system in relation to the rest of the body. The online lessons focus on learning about the intricate interrelation between the TMJ and body posture, including notions of posturology, posturometry, and osteopathic manipulations. Are you ready to take your practice to the next level? Get ready to take part in our immersive 2-day workshop, taking place in the beautiful city of Cordoba, Spain. In this workshop, you'll have the opportunity to learn from the esteemed professor, Dr. Silverio Di Rocca, a world-renowned expert in TMJ health. This isn't just another course, it's an intensive experience designed for health practitioners like you, dentists, physiotherapists, osteopaths, and doctors, who are eager to enhance their clinical skills. Here's how our workshop works. Hands-on learning. Throughout the 2 days, you'll engage in practical, hands-on training that emphasizes real-world applications. You won't just learn the theory, you'll practice techniques under expert guidance, ensuring that you leave feeling confident and prepared to implement what you've learned. The workshop is designed to cover crucial topics, including the connection between TMJ dysfunction and posture, comprehensive diagnostic techniques for assessing TMJ disorders, postural diagnosis that integrates empirical data for accurate assessments, craniofacial therapy protocols to prevent posture-related injuries. Interactive environment. We encourage collaboration and discussion. You'll be joining an interdisciplinary group of health professionals, providing an excellent opportunity to network, share insights, and learn from each other. What sets our workshop apart from others is the hands-on approach that ensures you leave with practical knowledge, tools, and techniques you can immediately implement in your practice. Unlike many courses that focus solely on theory, our workshop allows you to actively participate by practicing diagnostic and treatment protocols with your peers. You will not only learn, but also feel the effects of these techniques firsthand. So why should you join? Transform your practice. By integrating TMJ and posture diagnosis and treatments into your skill set, you will provide more comprehensive care for your patients, addressing underlying issues that could contribute to a variety of health problems. Invest in your professional development and join us on the 4th and 5th of October, 2025. Don't miss this chance to advance your practice and significantly improve your approach to patient care. For more information or to secure your spot, click the link in the description or reach out to us at info@silverstone-ch.com. We look forward to welcoming you to this transformative experience.